Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. In first step, we will make front view sketch. In second step, we will make triangle sketch. And in last step, we will remove material by subtractive cylinder. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document. Click here to add a new body. Create a sketch. Select XZ plane. Change background color. Turn on grid view. Turn off auto constraints. Select Polyline tool. Draw rough sketch. Make a closed loop. You can see degrees of freedom for this sketch. Constraints by Polyline tool. Line elements. Provide vertical constraint. Provide horizontal constraint. Provide length. Provide horizontal constraint. Provide equal constraint. Provide horizontal distance constraint. Provide vertical distance constraint. Provide angle. Remaining 2 degrees of freedom are planar. Let's use coincident constraint. You can see fully constrained sketch. Close this sketch. Extrude this sketch. Use symmetry plane. Click OK. Create second sketch. Select Polyline tool. Auto constraints are turned on. Select horizontal distance constraint. Select vertical distance constraint. Sketch is fully constrained now. Extrude this sketch. Use symmetry plane. Click OK. In last step, we will use subtractive cylinder to remove material. Select XY plane. Define radius and height. Click OK to remove material. Let's export and import this same part. Let's move this part. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done. Let's change color. Thank you for your time. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with time, you'll develop the skills to tackle even more challenging designs. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity.